I know, it's an absolute horror show. Every time I tidy anything, he just throws things on the ground in rage, which, you know, that's the age he's at. We're gonna clean it. We can clean. Whoa, whoa. You little rage monkey. Yoke ball and foam roller, your best friend. They make workouts easy. They're good for any soreness you get from being a breastfeeding mama. They are wonderful. Okay.
Mom.
Want to help me sweep? Pick up the Tupperware. Next week. One of my favorite things we do together. Good job. High five. Let him hang. Okay. So next what we're doing is mopping. I do one hot water microfiber towel, one dry microfiber towel, and about a 30-40% white vinegar with water that he gets to spray. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get ready. Okay, spray the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be careful. Take off your socks first. Good job. Okay, spray over here. Right there. Just on the ground. No, not the bed, the ground. Good, now spray over here. Over here. See where those toe prints are? Good job. Now over here. 2 squirts for there. Right there. Yeah. And we scoop. You can scoop with me. Scoop behind me. It's a great thigh workout. I got his last one wore out. And this I've been enjoying doing. Okay, bud, be careful. Yeah. Okay, grab that microfiber towel. Follow behind me. Good job. And for less stuck on dirt and more just cleaning, you just swipe, careful, this way versus the double-footed. Just back and forth, which gives off more stuck on dirt. Good job. Good, you're helping wonderfully.
Oh, no, me.
No, don't get that one wet. That one's for drying.
No,
No, I don't mop all the time because I have a shoeless house. You know, once you come inside, you're not supposed to wear shoes. And that does keep the mopping down. The kitchen, I have to mop constantly. But like upstairs here in the bedroom, that's a rarer occurrence.
No.